Every couple of weeks, I love to make my own homemade muesli. Why? Because it just tastes better and you can change up all the different ingredients. So for my muesli today, I've got some instant rolled oats into a baking dish. You don't need to put it into another bowl, just straight into the dish you're baking in. Some puffed rice, some desiccated coconut, and lots of coconut for my recipe, along with some flaked almonds and some pumpkin seeds. Now you can change up the spices, but my favourite for brekkie would have to be some cinnamon, about a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of cardamom. I'll add the zest of 1 orange. I love the freshness of the orange for this. And again, it's one of those ingredients I enjoy eating at breakfast. And now for the liquid. So I've got some honey and I've just warmed that up in the microwave just to make it much easier to pour. And for the oil, so instead of using coconut oil or butter, I like to use a light cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. The reason I like to use it is it's lighter in flavour and it's fantastic for baking. So we do the same amount of extra virgin olive oil to honey, and I like to mix them together. Give it a quick stir and then pour it all over our dried ingredients. Okay, combine everything so that extra virgin olive oil and the honey is evenly distributed. And it's as simple as baking this in the oven, 170 degrees for about 30 minutes, and you want to regularly give it a mix so we get that beautiful, even colour. How good does this muesli look? Fantastic as is, but here's my little tasty tip. Make sure you add the dried fruit after you've baked the muesli, just so it doesn't go crunchy, it stays nice and soft. So I have a combination of apricot, cranberries, raisins and sultanas. In they go. Give that a stir and you can store this in airtight containers. That's my homemade muesli using extra virgin olive oil.